The AliExpress Gold Rush. It's like treasure hunting, but with more gadgets. Ever dream of getting cool stuff for free? Imagine the thrill of unboxing a brand new gadget or a stylish piece of clothing without spending a dime. I'm talking gadgets, clothes, tools, you name it. From the latest tech to everyday essentials, there's something for everyone. Well, stop dreaming and fire up your computer because AliExpress is like a giant online flea market with ridiculous deals. It's a treasure trove waiting to be explored. We're talking dirt cheap prices on just about everything. Whether you're looking for electronics, fashion, or home goods, the deals are endless. But here's the kicker, you can score some sweet freebies too. Imagine the joy of receiving a package and knowing you didn't pay a cent for it. Yep, you heard that right. Free stuff. And not just any stuff, but brand new items that are just waiting to be claimed. Now, I'm not talking about some rinky-dink used up junk. Forget about those secondhand items that no one wants. We're talking brand new goodies shipped straight to your door without costing you a single penny, fresh out of the box, ready to use. Sounds too good to be true, I get it. It sounds like a dream, but it's very real. Let me tell you, it's not. With a little bit of effort and some smart shopping strategies, you can make it happen. With a little bit of elbow grease and some insider know-how, you'll be swimming in free stuff before you know it. It's all about knowing where to look and how to snag those deals. So buckle up, grab yourself a cup of coffee, or maybe something stronger, and let's dive into the wonderful world of getting free stuff on AliExpress. Get ready to become a pro at finding the best deals and freebies online. Stick around and I'll share some tips and tricks to make the most out of your AliExpress experience. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually get free stuff on AliExpress? It's not as hard as you might think, and with a few tips and tricks, you'll be swimming in freebies in no time. Well, the first weapon in your freebie arsenal is coupons. These little gems can save you a ton of money and sometimes even get you items for free. AliExpress is like a coupon lover's paradise. Seriously, if you love hunting for deals, this is the place to be. They're raining from the sky. You just have to know where to look and how to use them effectively. You've got your store coupons, your platform coupons, your special event coupons, you name it. Each type of coupon has its own set of rules and benefits, so make sure to read the fine print. First things first, never, and I mean never, buy anything on AliExpress without checking for a coupon first. It's like a golden rule of online shopping. It's like forgetting to wear pants to the grocery store. Just don't do it. Always check for that discount before you hit the checkout button. You can find coupons scattered all over the website, often right on the product page itself. Sometimes they're hidden in plain sight. Look for little red banners or pop-ups screaming discount or save big. These are your best friends when it comes to saving money. Another hot tip, download the AliExpress app. It's a game changer. Not only does it make shopping on the go a breeze, but they also hide exclusive coupons in there that you won't find on the website. Sneaky, right? These app-only deals can sometimes be the best ones available. But hey, free stuff is free stuff. And with these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming an AliExpress freebie master. Happy shopping.